Hi guys, Tony here from AK Autos. Today I have a Peugeot 208 with a 1.2 Puretech engine on it. This customer has unfortunately driven the car with the oil filler cap off. These wee engines burn a lot of oil, and obviously when topping it up on a regular basis, the customer's accidentally forgot to put the oil filler cap on properly. It's fallen off. After topping up the oil, putting a new cap on, if this has happened to you, you may find that you've got an erratic idle. You can hopefully see and hear the idle just jumping up and down there. If that's the case, what's happened is it's worked out that the oil cap's been off. That messes with the PCV system, and the car will try to compensate for the lack of pressure in the engine. And then once you get the system back to normal, you may have this erratic idle. Now I have driven this car to try and pull it round, but it's not reset now. So unfortunately you're going to need to put it on some sort of diagnostic equipment, and you're going to have to initialize the auto adaptive parameters. Okay, so just here I've went through the system on the auto. We need to make sure the aircon's off. Ignition on. Fan assembly not running. Diagnostic tool must be connected with power supply, and the battery must be above 12 volts. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition back on, wait 15 seconds. Turn it off, wait 15 seconds. Sorry, my battery's near dead in this. It's been a long day. Okay, back on, wait 15 seconds. Okay. Press OK. Right, and then we'll start it up this time. See if that's worked. There we go, back down on the normal idle. That was just a wee initial high idle just because it's just begun, and the hunting's all stopped, so that's fixed the problem. Unfortunately, if that's the case, if you've done this yourself, it may not be a DIY job. Obviously I've got the diagnostics here, but if you have some sort of form of diagnostics, you may be able to pull the car around yourself just by resetting those adaptive parameters. Alright, and I just got them on the engine system there, running the diagnostics. There was no trouble codes or fault codes or anything in it. I just went into the special functions and reset those adaptive parameters. So thought it was one that might help people out there, so give us a like and subscribe as always guys. Thanks for watching.